I don't know if these plates can fit in here. My goodness. Oh, they actually can. Oh, nice. Okay. I want to wash them. I also brought my Carol Boys plates from back home. I know. Alright, so let me wash these. I've already washed the glasses. Then we're gonna pack them. These are the glasses I washed. Champagne glasses, water glasses, and the coffee cups that we use. This is just some leftover veggies that we had, and then we had a little bit of milk. I got a Coke cherry yesterday. We went to Morrison's. Yeah. Well, we don't have a fridge, so I'm just gonna drink it at room temperature. I don't have a choice. Yeah, let me wait for these to dry up, and then I'm gonna wash the plates and then put them here to dry for a bit, and then we'll pack. This is the mess we're dealing with. That's all garbage. Unpacked stuff, boxes from the unboxing, like the pots, plates, and then champagne glasses box and the coffee machine. I actually put it right there in that corner. I don't know. I'm obviously just going to play around with the area to see what I like. Yeah. When we came to view the house, I didn't realize they had this black backsplash. I was actually concerned, asking my husband, how are you gonna cook when there's wall? Because the kitchen is not tiled. It's just the wall. And it's white. Yeah, the living room area though. This is the living room. It looks messy as hell. I don't even know where to start. I decided to make myself coffee and egg and bread. Literally just an egg and bread. Nothing else inside. Yeah. Good morning. How are you guys doing? You guys never answer that question. I ask you guys, I don't know, in some of my vlogs, how you guys are doing. You guys never tell me how you guys are doing. Why? Anyways, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much, baby, for coming back to yet another vlog. Today's a Monday, so it's day 3 in the new house. I started this vlog on Saturday. I was just trying to unpack stuff in the kitchen. Right? It's a beautiful sunny day today. Yesterday was raining. It was gloomy. It was raining the whole day yesterday. So my husband and I just spent the whole day in bed. On a mattress. On a mattress, baby. Because we don't have a bed frame. We were supposed to receive a call or email yesterday regarding our appliances. A situation that I talked to you guys about in my last vlog. Guess what? Nobody said nothing. So my husband's at work today. He was going to call them to make a follow-up. Otherwise, we're gonna have to go to one of the stores and really get answers, because this is not okay. It's not cool. I'm really trying to keep my cool. I'm trying to be understanding, not be a difficult customer. But guys, no. It's almost a week. Tomorrow it's going to be a week, actually, and nobody's willing to help. Which is frustrating. But yeah, so now if I show you guys the stuff that I'm serving on, we got like a canned tikka chicken from Morrison's. You know, I don't like that for myself. Honestly, I don't like processed food, to be quite honest with you. I can never survive on fast food for 3 consecutive days. Especially here. The food here is not nice. So I got that tikka thing. I had that with rice yesterday. I got tuna. So I'm at a point where I'm thinking of having like just pasta tuna for dinner. Imagine. Like they're forcing me to be on a meatless diet. Anyways, I wanna go make some tea. I got some muffins or queen cakes, whatever you wanna call them. So I'm thinking of having that for breakfast. So let's go make tea. I have some here that we got from a hotel in Cardiff. Obviously, you know, black people, when we check out of a hotel, we pack the tea, we pack the sugar, we pack everything we can pack. So yes, I have a couple of those. Guys, I never showed you guys how dirty our oven is, but let's go make tea. Have a couple. I never showed you guys this house. I was just trying to clean where I could. I cleaned the bathroom. I cleaned the bathroom the other day. It was so dirty. I don't know why this house was not like properly cleaned before we moved in. If I show you guys the oven, in this house, I could literally just scream. I actually want to cry because I like to use the oven. I think I use the oven twice a week at the bare minimum. I love to bake. So when we moved into this house, I'm like, you know what? I'm actually gonna get, dip into my baking era, try new recipes. I get here and the oven is looking the way the oven is looking. Stressing the hell out of me. Let me show you guys. Sweetie, what is this? Why? This is what we're gonna have for breakfast. It's so frustrating that my husband and I were busy cleaning the house we were moving out of. Just trying to be very good tenants. We move into this house and we find the house in this condition. It's not cute. It's not nice. It's very depressing. I don't like it. Why do I have to clean two houses back to back? Why? Anyway, I really hope this gas stove is not ruining our pots. Why do I feel like it does though? I love them though. I love these pots so much. Oh yeah, the gas stove is doing something to the pot. Oh my god. I hate that. Anyways, because we don't have a kettle, I'm gonna boil water. I hope it doesn't smell like tikka chicken because I used this to warm it up yesterday. Let's try. We have this diffuser in the kitchen. I actually got it from Calm. Back in Gibbs. Smells delicious, especially for the kitchen. I love it. My husband got this cutlery set. And then these knives that I never got to show you guys. The cutlery is it's heavy. I like it. They're just plain. If you guys can see, it's just plain cutlery. But we don't have a cutlery organizer. I like them. I love them actually. They're so cute. Yeah. That's what I wanted to show you guys. I actually saw that the bathroom has a pin where we can hang a mirror. So I want to we have two identical mirrors. One's just bigger than the other one. So I want to take the smaller one, clean it and then hang it in the bathroom. We need to get a lot of stuff at home. Moving out needs 1 million things, please. I'm just thinking now, like, we need a caddy or something, a stand of some sort for the bathroom, because we don't have, like, I think we should get shower caddies to put inside the shower for like our skincare. And then I just wanted to put like towels and a plant, something very cute but not too big, because the bathroom does not have that much space, but we need something very small. I don't know, we'll see. I'll Google some stuff and then we'll see what we can get. But yeah, should I try? I think I should try the English breakfast black tea. Yeah, because it's just that and the green tea. I'm not really a green tea kind of girl, but maybe we'll start. I think people normally drink green tea at night. Yeah. So I'm just gonna have the English breakfast tea. Yesterday I watched somebody have bacon. I wanted to cry. We can't get bacon in this house because where are we gonna store it when we don't have a fridge? Oopsie. Ooh, I ruined that. Sorry. I can be clumsy sometimes. I ordered a perfume from Zara. They sent an email that they're gonna deliver in, I think, about an hour or so. I'm so excited. A lot of people have been talking about this particular perfume. Obviously, it's a blind buy as usual. What's new? I got the Stella Amber. I wanted to get the orange honey, mainly because they said it smells like one of the Jo Malone perfumes. I'm a big fan of Jo Malone, but obviously I'm not at a stage where I can afford to buy Jo Malone. Wabon. So for now, I think we'll be doing a lot of dupes. I actually want to get the Ebony Wood. I smelled it once in South Africa. I fell in love with it. I immediately regretted not buying it, but we're already out of town. I've been looking for it since, never found it. So when I got here, Googled it. Obviously the package changed, but I've never smelled it. I went in the store, it wasn't there. My friend recently went to Pretoria. She found the same packaging that I saw online. She smelled it. She's like, girl, I'm not sure about it. Because I was with her when we found that out. We liked it. But yeah, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to be talking about everything all at once. So something weird is happening in this house now. So when somebody's upstairs and I'm downstairs, it sounds like crickets. It sounds like crickets, like fireworks. I don't know what it is. It's probably maybe something was not done right in this house. It scares me so much because what if one day somebody just falls down? So I think the neighbor was, I don't know, it's probably doing the same thing in the neighbor's house because there's nobody upstairs here. But I just heard the sound. Let's unbox this beautiful package from Zara. Oh my god. Actually, only one thing in here is mine. The original price is £23, but it was on sale. It was on sale for, I think, £15. So, how pretty. How cute is she? How stunning. I've seen a lot of reviews about this perfume. I hope I like it. Somebody said it's either you like it, it's either you love it or you hate it. Okay, I like it. It's rare for me to like perfume at first spray, literally, because at first I always think, what is that? And then once it dies down or dries down, once it dries down, then I really either like it or I hate it. But this, so far I like it. It's very different. I don't think I have anything similar to this. I actually don't. So it's a very different smell, very different scent for me. So it says it's a best of succulent pear, setting the stage for a delicate peachy like scent of osmanthus. However you pronounce that, sweetie. I like it. It's giving very much, you know, feminine energy. I like it.
I'm sorry, I'm not the way you paint the picture.
More red, I didn't know these as well. Ah, how cute.
I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just not impossible. No, we all kind of selfish, baby. Please don't judge me. Please don't.
I just wanted to show you guys a few stuff that we got. Got some rice because we ran out. Also got basmati. This is a soy sauce. Got a couple of spices because my Robertson spices are running out. Actually, some have run out. Oh my god. Some asparagus, cabbage, some narchies, bananas, tomatoes, crunchy, some chips to try, Welsh red potatoes. I've never had these, but we'll see. Some milk. I actually want to make French toast, hence why this cinnamon. I've been seeing it a lot in my TikTok For You page, and you know what, I'm craving it. So I want to make that tomorrow, and then the rest of the milk I'm gonna make homemade custard, so my husband and I can have dessert. We still don't have a fridge, so I have to use all of it like by tomorrow. Golden syrup, some sweets, some chips, lemonade, pasta, and pork, which we're going to cook today and tomorrow. Yeah. In the spirit of trying new things that we don't have back home, I saw these. Guys, ignore that. I told you guys about the sound, né? The fireworks sound. This is what I was talking about. These are Thai sweet chicken. Back home, I like the Thai sweet chili chips. I like them in the Doritos. I like them in Lay's. Whatever flavor, as long as you say Thai sweet chili, I'm gonna buy it. So when I saw Thai sweet chicken, I'm like, it reminds me of something. No, nice.
One more.
Okay.
Look.
Oh.
I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. Be lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Leave you where you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me.
let's make French toast. I'm so excited. I'm actually watching Gugu's vlog. They were furnishing the guest bedroom. Yeah.
Found out who I am through you, and it turns out I ain't for you. We made them plans and I let them fall through. Didn't mean to cause all this damage. Is it my fault? Why'd you have to fall? I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave. You're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Leave you while you're lonely. Please don't fall in love with me. You're lonely. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely. Oh.
Oh, hi. How are you? Thank you. Delivery. Guys, we managed to resolve the thing with the shop, and guess what? Package 1 of 3 has already arrived. It's an electric blanket. So if you don't know, it's autumn currently in the UK and it's getting really cold. So yeah, we're preparing for winter, and I think an electric blanket is such an essential in this weather. Trust me. So I don't know if the other package is gonna arrive today or tomorrow. My husband says today, but I think tomorrow. I think tomorrow. But yeah, I just wanted to close off this vlog right here. I will make like a b-roll of updates that I've made in the house so far. So obviously our living room is very clear. I removed everything, packed up boxes in the storage downstairs, and then packed everything else where I think it should be temporarily. Like the food, I want to change where the food is, but after we get like storage containers, like canisters and stuff. And then yeah, I haven't really done much, mostly just the kitchen, because that's the stuff that we had. There's somebody coming here actually. Hi, how are you?
Window cleaner. I think I spoke to you a week or two ago.
No.
No?
Yeah, we recently just moved here.
You just moved in?
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, you guys. If you've come this far, I truly appreciate it. If you're new, obviously I hope you stay. I hope you will subscribe, and I definitely hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. We still have a long way to go with like furniture shopping, finishing the house, turning it into a home. But one little piece of furniture at a time, we're gonna get there. I'm just happy that we resolved this matter with the store. because I was getting worried. Anyways, let me. Then this side, I mostly have my spices. Can I put this down here? Okay, I mostly have my spices in here, and then like sauces, cooking oil and whatever up there. Yeah, we'll sort this out. Not now. This side is actually not a cabinet. It's I forgot what you call it, but yeah, it's this thing. Yeah, obviously down there. Under the sink, I actually didn't pack much. The old plates that we had, cleaning stuff. I don't know. I'll see. Probably just cleaning stuff here. I don't want to put my pots. I'll reconsider because there's actually a lot of space in there. There's actually a lot of space, so we'll see. And then here, there's not much, just that, some kitchen cloths. And then here, just miscellaneous stuff, plastics that we use. And then here, cutlery doesn't look cute. Hate it so much. And then here, food does not look cute either. I hate it so much. It looks so messy. I know. And then here, I've put my pots. So I'm thinking, because we don't have a lot of pots, I might switch these two, put the pots there, and then once we order the canisters, I'll put everything else here, like food and stuff like that. And then our downstairs like storage thingy, I put like boxes here. Honestly, I'm gonna throw some away, but I hope there's nothing important in there because it's just like letters and stuff that we need to sort out. Yeah, this is just stuff that I've gotten for my kids so far. Yeah, I think this is it. Once we get like a wardrobe or chest of drawers stuff, we'll just pack our suitcases in here. Yeah, I think that's it for now. We shall continue in another vlog.